What is insertion sort?
The insertion sort is a simple sorting algorithm that works much like sorting playing cards in your hand. It builds the final sorted list one item at a time by repeatedly picking the next element and inserting it into the correct position compared to the sorted elements before it. Insertion sort is easy to understand, making it a great introduction to sorting algorithms.
How insertion sort works.
To use insertion sort, start at the second element in a list. Compare it to the elements before it and shift those larger than it one position to the right. Insert the current element where it belongs. Repeat for each subsequent element until the entire list is sorted. This step-by-step method ensures the sorted section grows by one element each time.
A step-by-step example.
Imagine sorting the numbers 4, 2, 7, 1. Start with 4 as the sorted part. Insert 2 before 4, making it 2, 4. Next, 7 fits after 4, so it's 2, 4, 7. Then, insert 1 before all, resulting in 1, 2, 4, 7. With each step, the sorted side expands by adding the next element in its correct place.
Performance and when to use.
Insertion sort is most efficient on small or nearly sorted lists. It performs well when the list is short or elements are already close to their final positions. However, it's not ideal for large random datasets, because its time complexity increases quickly as the list gets bigger. For many simple everyday tasks, though, it's a reliable and intuitive solution.
Key takeaways.
Insertion sort stands out for its simplicity and ease of understanding. It's a solid choice for sorting small lists or when new elements arrive one at a time. While other algorithms may be faster for larger datasets, knowing insertion sort gives you valuable insight into how basic sorting works step by step.